Hi everyone. This video is going to show you how to get students into Canvas, help them log in if they don't know what to do. The first thing they're going to do is go to the my.ncedcloud.org website. This is going to come up and look just like the one that we log into. For their username, this is going to be a long number that they have to enter. They'll click go and then type in their password. Click go. Now, let's say the students don't know what their username or password is. When you log into your account, you can go to Profiles on the left-hand side of the page and click on My Students at the top. This populates all of the students that are in one of your classes. You notice that it has their username on the right-hand side and then a default password. You can provide them with that password for them to log in, or you can change their password yourself. To change their password, you would select the student that you want to change, and then click the Change Password tab at the top. Doing so will show you the minimum requirements for a password. As you scroll down, you can enter the new password, and you can make it whatever you want to make it. The student can provide you with a password that they want it to be. Or you can say that the user must change the password at the next login. So when you provide that new password, you can also have them change it as well. Or you can set the password to the default value, which is listed on the profile screen. If students have not started, they are going to have to claim their account if they've never done this before. And this is probably the case with students that were not with New Hanover County before. So if we go back to the My NC Cloud, they're going to need to claim their account and go through that process, but only if they haven't done it before. Okay? Make sure you go into NC Cloud and check those profiles to see if you have their username and password and try that route first. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.